Be reading a little bit of the Word of God to you, which is taken from Acts chapter 3, verse 1 to 5. Now Peter and John went up together into the temple at the hour of prayer, being the ninth hour. And a certain man lame from his mother's womb was carried, whom they laid daily at the gate of the temple, which is called Beautiful, to ask alms of them that enter into the temple. Who, seeing Peter and John about to go into the temple, asked an alms. And Peter, fastening his eyes upon him with John, said, Look on us. And he gave heed unto them, expecting to receive something of them. Expecting to receive something of them. Now, I want to say this to you. Anyone that will receive from God must not have a divided attention. Divided attention will not make you to receive anything from God. Divided attention will never allow you to receive miracle, blessing, favor, breakthrough, and all that you want from God. Give all your attention to Him. Be expectant. Look unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of your faith.